In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create content with Grok Imagine. We'll move from opening the site to generating visuals and polishing them, so by the end you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to a finished asset. Start by heading to grok.com in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look to the left side of the screen and click on Imagine. This is the creative workspace where you'll guide the tool to produce content for you. In the Imagine view, place your cursor in the field that says Type to Imagine. This is where your prompt goes, and it's worth being specific. You can also pick a content goal to help the system align with your intent. For example, you might type minimal aesthetic landscape, soft pastel colors, sunset over mountains, calm mood, clean composition. Describing the style, palette, subject, mood, and layout like this gives the model clear direction and usually leads to more consistent results. If you're exploring still visuals, click on Image. This is useful when you want a quick snapshot of your concept or need a thumbnail or banner. You'll see options that keep the focus on high-quality single frames. For this walkthrough, switch to video for now. Here, choose your resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. Higher resolution looks crisper but can take longer to render. Duration controls how long the clip runs, and aspect ratio should match where you plan to use the content, like 16:9 for widescreen or 9:16 for vertical. Think about your final destination, website, social feed, or presentation, and choose settings that fit that use case. When your prompt and settings look good, click Submit or simply press Enter. The system will start generating. Processing time can vary based on complexity and resolution, so give it a moment. As soon as it finishes, review the result with a critical eye for color balance, composition, motion, and overall mood relative to your prompt. You can refine right here. If something feels off, adjust your wording, tighten the style terms, emphasize the mood, or add a detail that was missing, and run it again. Iterating like this helps you converge on exactly what you want without starting from scratch each time. If you prefer more options, click the three dots to open the additional menu. From there, choose Upscale. Upscaling enhances detail and sharpness, which is great when you need a cleaner look for larger displays or professional use. It may take extra time, but the boost in clarity can be worth it, especially for final delivery. That's it. You've navigated to Grok Imagine, crafted a precise prompt, selected the right format and settings, submitted your request, refined the output, and finished with an upscale for polish. Happy creating!